Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Today's September 8th. I hope everyone had such a great Labor Day weekend. We're going to hop into it. Our I can statement for today is I can identify how many tens make up each decade number. So what we're going to do, when you guys go to today's lessons, you're going to first watch this video, then you're going to watch the video that I upload. Then these are your assignments for today. So our goal today is to identify how many tens make up each decade number. So we know that there are 10 squares or 10 blocks that make up a 10 stick. So I already know, instead of going through and counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I already know that I see this group and I know that it's 10. So you are going to count how many groups of 10 there are, and then we're going to write the number over here. So let's count 10, 20. So our decade number is 20. Now let's look at this. How many groups of 10 do we have? 2. We have 2 groups of 10. And how many leftovers do we have? We have 0. So I have 2 groups of 10 and 0 left over. That leaves me with my number being 20, or my decade number being 20. All right, let's do this one. You go ahead and count. And let's count together. 10, 20, 30. How many groups of 10 do I have? 3 groups of 10, 0 left over. My total is 30. Right on. All right. Your turn. See how many? And let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40. How many groups of 10? 4. How many left over? 0. Our total is 40. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Remember that these are called decade numbers. These aren't just any kind of number. These are called decade numbers. Okay, let's count. And together, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What's our decade number? And I know because I have 5 groups of 10 and 0 left over, which gives me a total of 50. Good job, boys and girls. So now you're not always going to see just 10 sticks, but you can use this in the real world to help you count items. So here we have a basket. We have baskets full of fruit. How many fruits do we have in this basket? 10. And I know because we just put 10 on here. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to count by tens. Let's do it together. 10. Oop, didn't mean to move it, sorry. 10, 20, 30, 40. I have 4 baskets, and I have 0 left over, and I have a total of 40. All right, let's look at our crayons. Right, I'm going to point and you're going to count. 50. All right. We can double check. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 groups of 10, 0 left over, and I could count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So my total is 50. All right, last one. This last one, what we're going to do is we're going to circle. Remember that when we see this, we can circle how many groups of 10 that we have. So whenever I count out 10, I can circle the group. And then we can see how many we have left over. So let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to circle this group of 10. So now instead of going back, I know that I have how many? 10. Very good. So let's go 10. And when I get to a decade number, I can stop and count. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I circle this second group of 10s. Now, how many groups do I have circled? I have 2 groups circled. How many do I have left over? 0. And if I count it, I could go 10, 20. So in total, we have 20 pennies. All right, boys and girls, so remember, these are called our decade numbers. And for your warm-up, make sure that you watch that video. So you're going to see this lesson uploaded here. Your activity for today is you're going to log into I Know It, and you're going to do skip counting by 10, and then you're going to go on to Splash Learn and do multiples of 10. All right, boys and girls, thank you so much.